Question number 126. A population will not exist in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium if. Now Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium states that in a Mendelian population, the total amount or sum total of all genes in a population will remain constant. To explain that, they gave an equation called the Hardy-Weinberg equation, which read P plus Q is equal to 1 and P square plus 2PQ plus Q square is equal to 1. P is the allele frequency of dominant allele in the population. Q is the frequency of recessive allele in the population. P square is number of homozygous dominant individuals in the population. Q square is the number of homozygous recessive individuals in the population, and 2PQ is the number of heterozygous dominant individuals in the population. Now Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium basically says that if a population is not subjected to mutations or variations, then the sum total will remain the same. Now if there are no mutations, then Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium will exist. Okay, because the gene will not change. If there is no migration, then people or genes from one population is not going to the other population. That means if there is no migration, Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium will exist. If the population is large, it allows random mating. Random mating means mating without any prejudice, without any direction. In fact, if individuals mate selectively, this will be not a random mating. And for Hardy-Weinberg's equilibrium, a very important thing required is random mating. So, Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium will not exist if there is no random mating, and that will be if individuals mate selectively. So that's the correct answer, individuals mate selectively. Number 4.
Then the question number 127. The guts of the cow and buffalo possesses. Okay, you see the page number 19th of your 11th standard Archaebacteria. Methanogens are present in the guts of the ruminants. Okay, that is given. Okay, so the answer is second, that methanogens are present in the guts of cows and buffaloes, ruminants. Then question number 128. The hilum is a scar on the. Okay, if you see any seed, okay, there is a remnant of the funicle on the seed. Okay, so that is considered as a hilum. So the hilum is a scar on the seed. That is given in your page number 77 of the 11th standard book. Then the question number, sorry, I am writing here 128. Answer is 4th. Okay, then the question number 129. Here secondary succession takes place. What is the difference between primary succession and secondary succession? Primary succession always takes place in a fresh area where there is no previous vegetation, but the secondary succession always takes place when there is previous vegetation were there and it is removed by any chances. Okay, so that condition considered as a secondary succession. In all these one, newly and bare rocks are the second, third and fourth options for the primary succession, and the first option, degraded forest, is the secondary. It is responsible. It is the initiatal point for the secondary succession. So the 129 is the answer 1. That is the degraded forest. Then question number 130. Which of the following statement is wrong? We have to select incorrect. First one, agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracillarium. It is correct. Then second, chlorella and spirulina are used as a space food. That is also correct. Then the fourth one, algin and carrageen are products of the algae. That is also correct. Third one is incorrect. I will correct it as mannitol is a stored food in the Phaeophyceae, not the Rhodophyceae. It is Rhodophyceae is given here, so the third one is correct. Incorrect, sorry. So 133. The third answer is third one is incorrect.